Hi friends, you're given a linear equation 8x plus 9y as 115 and x and y belongs to natural number. Let's see from one equation how you can find two variables. Start by dividing whole equation by 8. So 8x upon 8 plus 9y upon 8 115 upon 8. First equation 8 will get cancelled. We get x. 9y by 8 can be written as y plus y by 8. In the same way, 115 by 8, 14 plus 3 by 8. Now x, y and 14 all are integers, so take them on one side and take all the fractions on one side. So 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8 is 14 minus x minus y. Since x and y both are integers, 14 minus x minus y will also be an integer. Let's take it as p, making y minus 3 by 8 as p. Multiply both sides by 8. Y minus 3 is 8p. So y become 8p plus 3. Take this equation as 1. Put this value of y in the original equation. 8x plus 9, 8p plus 3, 115. Subtract both sides by 27. 8x plus 72p is 88. Divide whole equation by 8. X plus 9p is equal to 11 and x is equal to 11 minus 9p. This is equation 2 and earlier we had y as 8p plus 3. Since x is a natural number, the value p can take is either 0 so that 11 minus 9p remains greater than 0. It can also take 1, 11 minus 9, 2. If p is 2, 11 minus 18 is minus 7. So this is not possible. So only values for p is 0 and 1. For these values, x will be 11 and 2 and simultaneously y will be 3 and 11. So there are two solutions for x and y, either 11 and 3 or 2 and 11. That's it for today. I'll catch you in the next session.